Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my studio build out episode 2. Almost every box has arrived, so my plan for today is just to assemble 2 shelving units and put them in the studio. This one's gonna be a chair, a desk, and today I need that one and that one. 2 shelving units. This one's heavy. Oh, again. That's my studio. Get out of here. Out! There we go. The smaller one is heavier. Which one should I start with? Alright, let's start with this one. Oh, and screws. I'm coming closer to the camera. I'm not very good at assembling things. That's one. Oh, look at the mess. That's 2, 3, it's 4. Oh my goodness. It's not gonna be 2 episodes. 4 screws. Another one. Oh, so many parts. Oh, dude. That was so nice on the photo. I was like, what is this? What if I change my mind? It's like a puzzle. Any instructions, guys? No? That's good, thanks. So this is a photograph about the shelving unit. Let's do it. A, B, C, D. So I think I start with the wrong one. As I see, those are numbers. Where's the 1? That's 8. That's 7. Is it 6 or 9? 5. 5. Where's the 1? Yes, that's number 1. I just need to check the photograph. I need a stand. So the bottom shelf should be 120. Almost 160. Something's wrong. So that's the other one. Stupid gubby. So this one's gonna be the side. Oh, come on. I'm recording. Oh, don't know what's next. So I got 10 pieces of this. I've got 4 wooden sticks and 2 of this. This is package A with millions of screws. So I don't know what to do. I was looking for instructions, but I haven't got any. So I'm just gonna text the seller and ask for some help because I can't do this on my own. Alright, boys and girls. I got the instructions on my phone. I just have to make sure that I got everything what I need. 44 of the A. So, step number 1, start with the 6, 7, 6. 6, start with the 6, that's good. 2 sticks, 7, 4 screws. First part is done. Just 37 screws left. That's the first part. Done. Step 2. Holy crap! 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of this. Why is this infinity? Just try to put this. That's gonna be the inside. 2 sides, top and bottom. Just a couple steps left. Almost done. Now just lift it up. Yes! Alright, so now I'm gonna just put the stickers on, cover the screws, and tomorrow I'll be back for this.
1 day later.
This one's today's box. Let's see what we got. gonna be the X. First impressions, it's gonna be a lot easier than this one was yesterday. Instructions. Literally, it's just one step. It's like all the screws. Any questions? Oh, like that maybe. So first time I'm just gonna try to assemble it one side of the floor. Switch to the other side and assemble on the other side as well, and then just lift it up. That's number one. It's gonna be on the top. So here. Why are there 4 holes down here? Oh, I see. This one's gonna hold the screw in the wood. I'm just gonna put the wooden stick in every hole, put every shelf on it, and then just lift it up and screw them all at once. Those big holes going downwards. Now I'm just gonna try to put this on it as well. Alright. I should just try one at a time. It's on now. The other side. The dark side. It seems like I'm on a good way. I'm just gonna try to screw them at once. Lift it up, screw the other side as well, and ready to go. I hope these couple screws will hold at least for a while until I lift this up for the other side. I tried to put every screw in it. I was struggling with this and that one in the corner. So I'm just gonna lift it up and try the other side as well. That's it, baby. So now what I'm trying to do, put this one with the hole in it inside of that hole over there, which gonna hold this screw in here. Put this in now. Put the screw in the hole. Try to screw in. Why am I not able to put this screw in it? So now I have to use both of my hands. Just try to screw this in. And I wouldn't recommend you to mess this side up because I did. I put with the wrong side in and I wasn't able to twist this. So I just had to take this out and it looks terrible now. It's at the bottom so it's fine. Should be alright. Go back again. It's the last one. Yeah! Now I need the stickers. Just to cover the screws again. So now I need part E. It's gonna be the bottom. And I need a hammer. I've done the stickers, I've done the screws. It's time to lift this up. That was a tough 2 days. Well done, Gubby. In the next episode, I'm gonna bring up the desk and the chair and just start decorating this room. If you like these shelving units, I'll put the link in the description. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more upcoming optimal review.